Stop. What if I told you AI is already replacing people right now? And the scary part? Most people don't even realize it yet. From jobs to businesses to the way we live, artificial intelligence is changing everything. The question is, are you ready for what's coming? Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the world you knew yesterday, the rules, the jobs, the industries, the very way human beings think and create, has quietly begun to shift beneath your feet. Not because of a war, not because of a natural disaster, but because of lines of code, mathematical equations, and machines that have learned not just to follow instructions, but to think. That is not science fiction. That is not a distant prophecy. That is the world we are living in right now, in this very moment, as artificial intelligence, AI, moves from the pages of research papers and university labs into every corner of human civilization. But here is the thing most people don't realize. We are not at the end of this transformation. We are barely at the beginning. The changes we have seen so far, the chatbots, the recommendation algorithms, the self-driving car experiments, those are just the first tremors before the earthquake. To truly understand what artificial intelligence is doing to our world, you cannot just look at the technology itself. You have to look at history. You have to understand that every few centuries, something comes along that doesn't just change one industry or one country. It rewrites the rules for everyone, everywhere, all at once. The printing press did it. The steam engine did it. Electricity did it. The internet did it. And now, artificial intelligence is doing it. But what makes AI different from all of those revolutions? What makes it arguably more significant than any transformation that came before it is that for the first time in history, we are not just building a tool that amplifies human muscle or human communication. We are building something that amplifies the human mind itself. And when you amplify the mind, when you give the most powerful force on Earth, human intelligence, an engine that can run 1,000,000 times faster, process 1,000,000,000 times more data, and never sleep, never tire, never lose focus, what happens next is almost impossible to fully predict. So let's try. Let's walk through exactly how artificial intelligence is changing the world, sector by sector, life by life, and choice by choice. Because whether you are a student, a professional, a business owner, or simply a curious human being trying to make sense of the age you are living in, this is a conversation you cannot afford to miss. And we are going to start in a place that touches every single person on this planet, the world of healthcare. Because what AI is doing to medicine right now is not just impressive, it is, in the most literal sense of the word, life-changing, and in many cases, life-saving. To be continued.